Okay, we have this 44 and 1/2 minus 3 and 3/4. So again, this is a mixed fraction, okay, and a mixed number. So we can just simply subtract those with ano, ingani man gud yang iyahang form, no? So pag ato nang klarohon og lantaw, equivalent na siya sa 44 plus 1/2 minus 3 plus 3/4. Okay? So bale, kana siya naka-parenthesis. So pwede na mo i-combine ang whole numbers. It will then become 44. Pero kana siya, equivalent pa man na siya sa 44 plus 1/2. Kung ang negative sign i-distribute nimo, that will become negative 3 and negative 3/4. Okay? Ingana ng idea. Di lang kay sa 3 lang nakabutang. So, we'll just have here 44 minus 3. Mo na ang mga imuhang mga whole numbers. Then you'll have plus 1/2 minus 3/4. Okay? Pwede na mo yung ganiyon pag-approach. 44 minus 3, that's simply 41. And 1/2 minus 3/4. Let's take the LCD. Okay? Let's take the LCD for that. Well, 1/2 minus 3/4. Kabalutan na ang LCD na to ana kay, I think 4, no? 4 divided by 2, that's simply 2. So that will be 2. 2/4 is just 2 and minus 3. So the answer must be negative 1/4. Okay, so this must be 41 minus 1/4. But we cannot just simply put 41 and negative 1/4. Ang pinakadalian na is, well, we know that 41. Tagayan na lang ng 1 sa pika. So it must be 40 plus 1 minus 1/4. Para 1 minus 1/4, we know that is equal to 3/4. So that must be 40 plus 3/4. And this is now the time that you write 40 and 3/4. Okay? So the answer must be 40 and 3/4. Inganaon siya ingana ang way sa pag-solve. Kana pinakadali, no? Pag abot nimo daan ni karon, tagaan lang nimo siya og kuan, no? Di na ka mag LCD kay madugay na kayo ka. Tagayan na lang siya isa ka na 1, no? Bungkagang 41 gama 40 plus 1 then ang 1 ang i-kuan nimo, no? Imong i-subtract sa 1/4 and that will give you 3/4. That's it. Thank you.